welcome. For today's meditation, all you have to do is make your way into a comfortable space. Let your eyes start to drift closed and focus on the sound of my voice. As your eyes drift closed, bring your awareness to your breath and breathing in and out through your nose. Notice how the air feels as it travels through your body. There's nothing to change here, just noticing. Is your breathing deep or shallow? How does the air feel when you exhale? When you inhale? Your body instinctively starts to relax as you breathe in and out. And as you become more and more relaxed, the world around you starts to transform. You find yourself comfortably rocking in a high-backed rocking chair. And with each rock, you feel more and more relaxed. Your chair is on the front porch of a home that may or may not feel familiar to you. Whatever appears to you at this time is perfect and just as it's meant to be. And as you sit on this rocking chair on the patio, you feel grounded, safe and comfortable. The weight of the world fades into the distance as you sip an aromatic spiced cider. The smell of cinnamon and all the mulled spices wafting around you as you sip this deep red beverage. With each sip, you relax more and more. You look out over your patio into the pastoral view that unfolds in front of you. Your home is surrounded by trees as far as the eye can see. And there's a stream that runs through the property and opens into a lake. Taking in the view and breathing in and out, your relaxation deepens. And as the sun sets through the trees, the orange painted sky ignites a spark of creativity inside of you that you vow to rekindle later. Inspiration and ideas may come into your mind, but you put them aside as now is your time to relax. And as you relax deeper, the yellow of the fireflies catches your eyes as they start to make their way out as the last bits of sunlight disappear for the day. So small, yet so powerful and full of life, like little wisps of magic dancing on the breeze. Spend some time now noticing the deep green of the grass that glistens under the light of the moon as it rises in the night sky. This grass gets cut back, it gets eaten by bugs and wildlife, yet it always grows and heals, ready to give more as it is needed. And taking in the stream just beyond the porch that flows into a calm blue lake. Noticing that although the lake is calm, there is so much life beneath its surface, all communicating and living in harmony, unbothered by what happens outside of the water. A rich indigo sky encompasses you now that the moon hangs high. And as you look around, you're aware of all of the stars that are taking their places above you for the evening. You find yourself drawn to the deep violet of the night-blooming water lilies, delicate and beautiful on the pond, giving you a knowing that there is so much more that meets the eye in this beautiful world. As you continue to relax, the world is vibrant with all of the colors around you. And you take in those healing energies. And you feel restored. Enjoy this space that you have created now. Relaxing on the porch, in your rocking chair, drinking your cider, looking out into the vastness of nature and the interconnectedness of all things, while the colors dance around you. And slowly, this world around you starts to fade away. And your breath starts to deepen as your mind and your body realign with the physical world. Perhaps you let your shoulders roll now, or your fingers and toes dance. And when you're ready and in your own time, you can let your eyes start to open and come back into your space. welcome back. I hope that was just what you needed today. And I hope you'll join me again for another meditation soon. Have a great day.